Your first drive in your ID.3, a new beginning. Get in, start the car, drive off. It's easier than ever before. From unlocking the door to parking safely once you've arrived, the ID.3 keeps things simple. You will soon notice that you can operate everything intuitively. You use a vehicle key to unlock the car. Your ID.3 recognizes the key on approach and will automatically unlock all the doors and the tailgates if you so wish. Please fasten your seatbelt and step on the brake pedal. Your ID.3 will now show you that it's ready to go. The gear selector is very intuitive to use. To set off, you tilt it forward away from you. To reverse, simply tilt it backwards towards you. As soon as you start driving, the parking brake is released automatically. And now your ID.3 is ready for some fun on the road. Once you've arrived at your destination, park your ID.3 and push the park button on the side of the gear selector while pressing down the brake pedal. The red P in the ID display indicates that the parking brake has been activated. You can now exit the car. Your ID.3 will lock the doors when you swipe the door handle or use the vehicle key in the customary way.
Volkswagen.